Thank you so much for being here. Super excited about today's new portrait. Doing these portraits, you have to react to like what the wave is right now. And some waves are here for longer, like a lot of these icons, but this one is a wave of sound, aesthetic, and just texture and music that I've been loving for a long time. And so super excited to get to this Don Toliver portrait today. But also, if you're enjoying content like this, be sure to hit the like button so you get notified for future portraits, or I'd ask that you consider subscribing as well. But most importantly, comment down below. You let me know what portraits do you want to see in the future. But for now, let's get to that Don Toliver portrait. Let's go.